In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a revolve in Inventor Fusion. We'll start by creating a sketch. Now let's create a couple profiles. The first profile and the second profile. Let's activate the Revolve command. First thing we need to do is select our profiles. Next, we select the axis of revolution. Now we can grab the handle and then just drag to create the new entity. We've got the option to drag it in one direction or in two directions. Here's the second handle down below. We can also drag on both sides symmetrically. Now when I grab and drag the single handle, the revolve extends automatically in both directions. Resetting the profile or axis is very easy to do. And of course, we can enter the degree of revolution manually. Let's enter 45 degrees in the input field, and let's click Accept. And here is our revolve. This concludes our tutorial about creating a revolve in Inventor Fusion.